So the government said them they spent 18 million to get the ugliness from Barrettown. So basically then they take up all of the zinc them and all these things a Barrettown, and the more use spend $18 million to do it. The shade. The shade. Okay? The fuckeries. Amid the violence and other social ills rocking the Barrettown community in St. James, Member of Parliament MP Edward Barrett is welcoming an 18 million project to replace zinc fences in the area. He said that the project, which is being undertaken by Jamaica Social Investment Fund, will help to remove what he calls the infectious ugliness in the area. If you have an ugly surrounding, then it breeds an ugly lifestyle and behavior will subsequently be ugly. It is a part of the change. It's a part of changing the physical look and changing the mindset and changing the outlook, Barrett told the Star. The MP admits that the area has had some challenges, especially with the recent upsurge of violence in the community, but he believes that the zinc fence removal project would greatly assist. The overall concept is creating new boundary which allows us to have a more physical pleasing surroundings. It also would create better security within the community and give people a sense of place and a sense of pride, Barrett said. The police is also welcome the initiative in the area. Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, in charge of Constabulary Force Communications Unit, said that the zinc fence are very difficult to police. For the most part, where you have all those zinc fences, those are unsecured communities with no address. There are no main gates in some instances, so it's just one address for one big yard, Lindsay said. She added, with the level of firearms being used, the police are far more vulnerable behind zinc fences because they don't know who is behind the zinc fence firing at them. Once you have the environment in such a way that you have individual with gates, then police response could improve. The zinc fence removal project is a part of a wider program by the JSIF being undertaken in the community. Barrett said that 300 million would be spent over the next 3 to 4 years to tackle infrastructure work, drainage cleaning, training, and capacity building within the community and economic enablement. Other communities to benefit from the zinc fence removal. Other communities to benefit from the zinc fence removal project include Hannahtown, Denhamtown, Rosetown, Greenwich Town, Maxfield Park in Kingston and St. Andrew, Kenyon Heights, New Yorktown in Clarendon, Stairtown in St. Anne, Granville in St. James and Russia in Westmoreland. Bombo, then they got Russia. Full time, then go them play Russia, especially Russia. Anybody ever got Russia will know. But a full time now, then clean up and fix up Jamaica with all the zinc fence and all that is it harbors crime and violence and people when no want to work, catch up there and no want to do nothing basically. The only problem is that my only problem is they must spend $18 million to take down. Then they spend $18 million to take down zinc fence, really? $18 million. When you can't get let me see. Give 20 man about 50 grand each. I'm sure you know go add up to 18 million. And then take down all the zinc fence them in a no time. No time whatsoever. So that's all I have issues with. I hope they're hiring Jamaican citizens and Jamaican people when they're actually hiring people to do these jobs, and they're not taking foreigners and foreigner construction company and all that. If you go Jamaica, go take down the zinc fence them. I hope this bring jobs. I hope this bring a better community. I hope this bring a better community and camaraderie with police and all these things. So in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about this topic and them spending $18 million for remove zinc fence. Anyway, the shade. I'm out of here, man. It's your girl Brains on the beat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Dose.